Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to add a video on Shopify homepage. With this tutorial, you don't need any form of coding or anything like that. It is beginner friendly, and I will also be showing you how to make that video play on loop or repeat. The first thing you will need to do, once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select Online Store. After tapping on Online Store, I want you to tap on Customize beside the theme that you're using. And this is going to carry you to the editor page. Once on your editor page, you're going to tap on Add Section from the left-hand menu option right here. After tapping on Add Section, all you'll need to do now is scroll down until you see Video. So you will select Video right there. After selecting video, if it is a case that you would like to change the title, you can tap right where you see video and you could change the title. You can also change the heading size if you want. As you can see right there, you can make it small, large, or medium. Then we're going to tap on play video on loop. So that means that the video will continually be playing on repeat. Now you have two options. You can either tap on select video, and from there you could upload a video from your device, or you could paste in a video URL right here. So for example, let's say we were to go onto YouTube real quick. Once on YouTube, let's say for example we would like to paste in this video. All we'll need to do is simply tap on the three dots. Then from there you could tap on share. After you have tapped on share, you're going to tap on copy. Once you have copied the URL, you'll go back into Shopify, and right where you see URL, you're going to simply paste the URL right here. After pasting the URL right there, you can see that the cover image has changed, and we can also add our own cover image if we want. By tapping right here where you see select image, you could create your own cover image. And you can also improve your store SEO by tapping right where you see video alt text. So let's say for example this is a product video. You could type in the product name right here. So this would relay back to Google and other search engines that this video is about that particular product. And you can also choose the style, whether you like to make it a full section width or not. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on save in the top right hand corner. Now that we have tapped on save, you can see right there, because we have left the video cover image the same. If I were to tap on play, you can see the video right there. So if we were to go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the three dots, then I'm going to tap on view. Now after tapping on view, if we were to scroll down, you can see the video right there. Now to make any other changes, let's say for example change the cover image, as I was saying earlier, you will tap on explore free images, or you could upload a cover image. So let's say I were to select this one, then tap on select in the bottom left hand corner. You can see that it is now the cover image, as you can see right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.